One of the most fun things about a show like this are all the influencers that show up. So I've asked a few that you're going to recognize. What's the coolest thing you've seen at IWF? Here are their answers.
Coolest thing I've seen at the show, probably the shaper plate. That's something that I'm definitely going to be bringing into my shop and looking forward to testing out with my shaper origin.
The coolest thing that I've seen at IWF is the Tiger Stop.
So the coolest thing I've seen at the show is called the Woodchucker. Takes your scrap wood and turns it into sawdust.
The coolest thing I've seen at IWF is shaper plate.
The coolest thing I've seen so far is definitely the Certainly Wood booth, where they have 1 millimeter thick veneer ingrain wood. It's mind-boggling how they do it. Definitely check it out.
Hey, Dan with Country Tables here, and the coolest thing that I've seen down at IWF today is Robot IQ, Universal Robots. Just broke out my checkbook, and that's a $50,000 one right there.
So the best thing I've seen so far at IWF, the onslaught of celebrity woodworkers over here. They're phenomenal.
My name's Stephanie from Uncommon Outpost, and the coolest thing I've seen at IWF is George. And all of the other great woodworkers that I didn't even know were gonna be here.
Making me blush.
The coolest thing I've seen at the show is a 24-inch dovetail machine from Northfield Industries. This big, who knew?
So the best product I've seen here at IWF is obviously the Mullet Tools Dust Cyclone. It's a product that sucks, but in a good way.
The coolest thing I've seen at the show so far is the new Zeta from ShopBot.
Best thing I liked about the show was Panther Router, baby.
How can you pick? There's so many great tools here. I love all of them.
A huge thank you to Ethan, Dan, Shar, Stephanie, Michael, everybody else who participated in this goofy little exercise. Coolest part for me out of this is getting people like this involved with what I'm doing. If you're a woodworker, this is a place you need to be.